Hi everybody, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I was making some cards with this craft kit, and I wanted to share the cards with you before I get them packaged up. I'm going to be sending these cards to my aunt's shop. So I was using this Crafter's Companion I got from Tuesday Morning, and it was the circle die cutting one. Okay. It's kit number 7. And this is all stuff that came with it. This is what I have left. These were the papers. They were really pretty. And then in the back you get solid colors. And this all was in the kit. I still have cards and envelopes left. I used all the A2 size, but these, this is an A5 and this is a 6x6 or an 8x8. I can't remember. I think it's a 6x6. But I still have all these cards and envelopes left. And I have, oops, there's some more scraps of the paper. So I still have that left. Put that over there. This was the die set that you got in that kit. It's a scallop circle set. It has stitching on it. Then these were the 2 stamp sets that you got. I don't know if you can see them because it's not, see that one? And then you got this one. I did use this flower on one of my cards, and I did use the big flower here on one of my cards. But then I also used some of the cut aparts that you got. So this is what's left of the cut aparts. So I have those in there. And I did use some of the ribbon in 2 different sizes. So you get 3 different sizes of ribbon in that kit. And then you get these, and I used a few of these little enamel things. So that's all that was in the kit. And I'll show you what I did. Now, this card, I did add this Prima flower on there. This did not come in the kit. But I did this one. And it says, have a wonderful day. And then, of course, it's blank inside, but I did decorate my insides. Okay? I love that flower on there. It went with the paper really pretty. So I did that one. And that piece here, that have a wonderful day, this is one of the cut aparts. And then I did this one. It's a happy birthday one. So happy birthday to my dear friend. And this is a cut apart. I did use my square stitched dies on this one. That are not in the kit, but I did use them. And then this flower was from my stash. But I thought it was so pretty and it went perfect with that paper color. And then here's the inside. It says, you're the best. And that's using those cut aparts. Okay, and then I did this one. It says, on your special day. And here I used the ribbon underneath. And then I added some little glitter pieces. I stuck it down with glue on the ribbon on both sides. And then I did the little tag. There's a couple of enamel dots there that were in the kit. The tag is from the kit. And then here's some baker's twine that I just threw on there. And I did use the scalloped circle die that came in the kit for this card. Okay, and then that's the inside. There's just blank inside, so the people who buy them can use them for whatever they want. And then I did this one. And this is a special gift for you. So those of you who don't know, my aunt owns a little gift shop in Connecticut, and I send cards to her all the time. So the ones that say like a special little gift for you is perfect, because when someone comes into a shop and buys a little gift for someone, they can also add a card. And I only sell my cards for $4 a piece at her shop. So there's the inside. And there's that one. And then I made this one, and this is the one I used the flower. I stamped out the flower and I colored with Copics. And then I added here's the scallop stitched circle in the background that came with the kit. The butterfly was also in that stamp set. And then here's an ephemera piece on top of the ribbon that came in the set. All the papers were from the kit. And then there's the inside. Okay, so I did that one. And I have one more, you guys. This one here. And this was using that other flower I showed you in the stamp set. It looks to me like a little cherry blossom. So I did it in cherry blossom colors. And then I put sickles in the middle for glitter. And this one, I just basically mounted it on a pink and white, and to go with that, I didn't use any dyes. This little bow is from Hobby Lobby. I love these little bows. They come in pink, teal, black, and red. I wish they would have more colors, but those are the 4 colors they usually have. And this one's a birthday card. Happy birthday at the bottom. And then this is what the inside looks like. And there's another little cutter part. It says, to a very special friend on your birthday. And that's the last card. So those are the cards that I made. I'm going to get these all packaged up. I usually put them in the flat cellophane paper, and then I write on the, I print a little label with my label maker, and just put the price and have them, whatever card it was, a friend card, a birthday card, or, you know, I usually write that on the label and how much the card is. And she has a really nice card stand that she puts them all in when she gets them. So those are my cards, and I did make some more mask holders and some more wraparound bracelets for her shop as well. So I'll be getting that package sent off. But thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Thumbs up are always appreciated. Thank you. God bless, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.